Now let's proceed with limits involving piecewise function and also absolute value function. So now, if we want to calculate something with piecewise function, we need to determine which function to use from our left and also from our right. So let's see here, you are given a piecewise function like this. So you know that this is the first function according to the domain x less or equal to -1. So for x less or equal to -1, only function x cubed plus 2 is applied here. For the second one, x is between -1 and 1, so only this function is required here. So only the second function is applied here. And for x more or equal to 1, only this function is applied here. So let's find the following limit. So the first function is limit of fx as x approaching -1 from the right. So let's see here, x approaching -1 from the right. So this will involve function number 2. So let's cut and paste the function number 2 here. Therefore, since our function is a polynomial, we can directly substitute x is -1 here. So let's put in -1 squared plus -1 plus 1. So this will result to 1. This is your final answer. Now let's see part 2, limits of fx as x approaches -1 from the left. So let's see our diagram here. -1 from the left, meaning that this is involving domain number 1. So let's cut and paste this function here, function number 1. So again, this is a polynomial, so we can directly substitute x is -1. So let's fill in this here, and then let's calculate this. This is equal to 1. Part 3, let's do this, limit of fx as x approaching -1. So since we have checked the value for x approaching -1 from the right and also x approaching -1 from the left, which both of them give the value of 1, therefore limit of fx as x approaching -1 is equal to 1 since the limits from the left hand side and the right hand side is the same.